Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 11 was narrated by Abu Musa. Some people ask Allah, Apostle, whose Islam is the best, who is a very good Muslim. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, one who avoids harming the Muslim with his tongue and hands. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 12. It was narrated by Abdullah bin Umar. A man asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you do not know. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 13. It was narrated by Ans Raziyallahu Anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, none of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 14. It was narrated by Abu Huraira. Allah's apostle said, by him in whose hands my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 15. It was narrated by Ans Raziyallahu Anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children and all mankind. For more such type of videos, please visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get notification of new videos.